Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass the water filter in this GE refrigerator. Let's get started. To bypass the filter, you need a GE water filter bypass plug. This bypass allows unfiltered water to flow through the refrigerator to the water dispenser and to the ice maker. We recommend doing this if the water supply line to your refrigerator is from a whole house water filter system or a reverse osmosis system, as they can decrease the water flow and pressure to the refrigerator, which can cause the water dispenser or the ice maker to not work properly. If you need a bypass plug, you can visit our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on the refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. If you remove the water filter from the refrigerator and you do not install a bypass plug, the water dispenser and the ice maker will no longer work. To install the bypass plug, you'll need to start by locating the water filter on your refrigerator. Ours is located here. Once you've located the filter, open up the filter door by depressing the locking tab and opening it up. Now inspect the color of the filter holder. If you have a black filter holder, start by swinging the cartridge outward until you hear the click of the cartridge holder engaging the bracket. Then, turn the filter counterclockwise, 1/4 turn to release it. If you have a gray filter holder like ours, do not try to twist the filter as it will damage the refrigerator. If your filter holder is gray like this one, to remove the filter, start by rotating the filter outwards until it stops. Then, gently pull the filter towards you to remove it. A small amount of water may drip from the filter. To install the bypass plug, first locate the sticker where it says front and make sure that this side faces outward. Then, if your refrigerator has a gray filter holder, insert the bypass plug until it bottoms out, then rotate it back into place. If your refrigerator has a black filter holder, insert the bypass into the holder, then rotate the bypass 90 degrees to lock it in place and rotate it back into position. Now, close the filter door. With the bypass installed, purge the air out of the system by dispensing 2 gallons of water. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.